I'm Boomer with 2 Towns, and we're about to smoke a blackberry cobbler in a cast iron skillet with Marissimo whipped cream. First thing we're gonna do, turn this grill up to 375 degrees. Next thing you're gonna do, add a stick of butter, throw this right on that grill, and let it heat up with all that smoky goodness. We're gonna get a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine a cup of sugar, flour, baking powder, and some salt. And we're gonna stir in some milk and Marissimo Apple Blackberry wine. And then eventually add some lemon zest and juice and a little bit of vanilla. Trick with this guy is to keep the butter moving, keep that nice and spread out. Woo. We're just gonna take this butter that's melted, dump the mixture that we just made, nice and easy. Gonna keep mixing this until it's spread nice and even. The butter tends to kind of separate itself, so just give it a nice good whisk and you should get one nice uniform color. And next is adding blackberries. Lastly, we're gonna toss this in the smoker for about 25-35 minutes. So we got our cobbler in the smoker. That thing's gonna be ready in about a half an hour. We've got our heavy whipping cream ready to go, and we're about to make our Marissimo whipped cream. First thing we're gonna do is whisk, 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 whisk. So now that the cream is getting some texture, I'm gonna add a 1.5 tablespoons of Marissimo Apple Blackberry wine from 2 Towns. Check this cobbler and make sure it's done. It ain't jiggling, it ain't wiggling, it's ready to go. And that is how you make a blackberry cobbler with Marissimo whipped cream on the Green Mountain Grill. Enjoy, folks. Who wants the first one?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.